Elephant joke of the day. How do elephants fly? Only by Dumbo Jet. I mean, come on. All right, we are working with Unit 3. Our little Unit 3 preview here. It is a building block of Unit 2. So right away, we were talking about systems. At the end of Unit 2, we got into systems of equations. So it builds on that quite a bit here. This unit is also pretty hefty in comparison to Unit 1. Starting out with Lesson 8, you have your 3 workbooks. You have a checkpoint and some ISAT practice. Again, I will always go back to this teacher notes page. That's where all of your work tutorial videos are, your resources, all of that stuff. So make sure you're checking those links. They're super helpful. Lesson 9, again, 3 workbooks, a checkpoint, and that one's, pretty self-explanatory. You're taking your 2 equations, learning how to add them, and then multiplying them. And then when we get into Lesson 10, we're looking at inequalities. So your less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to symbols. And how that changes your equations of a graph. What that looks when you graph them, all that good stuff. Again, 3 workbooks and a checkpoint and some ISAT practice. 11, we throw in a discussion there. Again, they're kind of just checking in, having you guys talk amongst your peers, things like that. So don't get too hung up on that discussion. But this is more of like modeling what the graphs look like and then interpreting solutions. So what is actually a solution? What does that look like on your graphs? Things like that. And then, that's the end of that unit. So really just still working with graphs. Again, I would go back to desmos.com. So you can graph those equations, see what it looks like, and manipulate those lines. But you also have your teacher notes here, and that's where all of those resources are, those tutorial videos. And I'm always one call away. So give me a call, text, IM, all that stuff.